What's up, guys? Michael from Muda here. I've got a pretty cool demo for you today to show off some of these new V2 Muda features. We're going to do a bit of a speed run. I've got a Figma document open over here. This is a new design for an onboarding flow for one of our apps, Fluency. We're going to take this design, add functionality to it, and deploy it to our production iOS app on the App Store in under 1 minute with no code changes and no new app updates. So let's see if we can do it. I'm going to download the app here and show you guys what it looks like to start out. We're running this onboarding flow behind the phone that you can see. So when we open it up, I'll walk through a few pages just to kind of show you guys what that looks like. So there we have it. Looks great. Let's close it out and delete the app so that we can test in 1 minute when we're done. Go back here. I'll leave that in the background. Let's switch to our Figma doc, grab the share link, close that out, and go back to the dashboard here. Let's get our timer started. All right, ready? Go. All right, let's open our Figma modal. We're going to drop that new link in there. This is going to import all of those screens. We're going to select them all, create a new flow from those Figma screens. It's going to grab all those assets. We're going to call this speed run and hit save. And now we are going to zoom in on each functional component and apply that functionality. So for buttons, we're applying a button functionality. This one's going to end the flow. Multiple choice, we're applying that multiple choice functionality. We got another multiple choice here, another button, and finally our last button to end the flow. So that looks great. Let's save it, go back here, go to placements, edit our current placement, get rid of that one, add speed run, hit save, and pause. All right. 54 seconds, folks. Let's see how it worked. Let's go back here. You can see our new flow. Let me open up our phone here and let's download the app and check it out. We should see this new flow. Let's open it up. And as you can see, we get our welcome to Fluency screen that we just added. Let's check out the functionality. So it works great. Our buttons work, multiple choice works, go through there, and there is our last screen. So that's that, folks. Under a minute. This process used to take weeks depending on how quick your engineering team was and how lucky you got with the app review team. You know, aside from this, you can do all kinds of A/B testing, experimentation. We have in-house analytics. So I think, this is really going to open up some opportunities for a lot of those apps out there to create some more revenue for themselves. So if you have questions, book a demo with me, and thanks for watching. I'll see you there.